Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. The year 2022. Here I've got two kettles with Spider-22s going to be going. I'm using a combination of the Kingsford onion, paprika, and garlic, along with the Royal Oak charcoal. As you can see, I'm doing a mix. I like these. It's a pretty good combination. Anyway, I've got some pans to catch the drippings down there to make gravy. And I'm doing spatchcock style. I'm going to do a butter injection on them. And these should be good. We'll see you back here in a little while. All right, I got these on. They look really good. Not bad. All right, I'm gonna leave these alone now. You guys won't see too much of me for a while. I'm gonna let these ride. So I will talk to you guys in a little while. Okay, I'm back. The larger turkey here is gonna take longer, of course. It's only about at 100 degrees. This one's almost done. She's looking gorgeous. She is looking gorgeous. This one may not be ready by the time we're eating, but that's okay, as long as we have one. I'm looking forward to it. And that's it for now. Okay, here is finished on one of them. I have, now that everyone's gone and devoured the first one, this is the second one I've cut into. It's been resting for probably about 4 hours or so, 5 hours. It's still very juicy and it cooked beautifully. Beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this away and go from here. The butter injection worked out well. Everyone liked him. This one has a jalapeno one, so a jalapeno butter injection. This one was quite a bit bigger than the other one was, so it took a little bit longer to cook, which is fine. At any rate, I just wanted to show the finished one, and turned out wonderful. So, wonderful. Hope everyone's doing well, and take care. Be safe.